hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So before we start today's video, let's talk about my lips. So I put on this like bold color. I didn't think it would be this bold, and I kind of like it. Like, I want to say like goth girl vibes, but I know not really. Then I put some gloss on over it, and now it's like moving all over my face, so I know it doesn't look perfect. But yeah, I'm trying out different things. But anyways, just had to bring it up. But we are opening up a really exciting box. We're opening up Bella Skin Box for February 2020. This is their second box ever, so they launched last month. I actually reviewed that on my channel, so if you missed that video, I will leave it down below. So I love this box. It's all skincare. It costs $35 per month with free shipping, and you get up to $150 worth of value in skincare products. And the skincare products can range from like hair care products, face products, body products, feet products, like anything on your body. So it's really great, and everything is 100% cruelty free, which is really important to me, so I think that is amazing. Last month they gave me a promo code to save $5 off your first box. It's not affiliated or anything like that, but I will leave all that information down below along with their link. They do still have some of the January boxes available on their website, so if you want to check out my video again, I'm linking that down below. And yeah, and some of their items I believe are actually on sale on their website too. So forgot to mention, so you get all a bunch of different skincare items, and you also get a skincare tool each month. So I think that's everything. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. Oh, I should mention too, I will list any giveaways going on down below. We have several at the time I'm filming this. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So Bella Skin Box, love the skin you're in. And on the other side, it lists the products, it has a description, and also has the retail pricing, and the total value for the February box is $135, so that is great. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see here. This is by Me Time Botanicals Berry Bright Polishing and Brightening Enzyme Mask. And you get 2.7 ounces of product. This is what it looks like, cute packaging. So let's read about this. So this mask is $33, so pretty much the price of the box, and it says locally sourced raw honey is the star of the organic triple berry and herbal brightening mask. Honey enzymes cleanse, exfoliate, brighten, hydrate, and plump skin and encourage cell turnover. Blue, cran, and aronia organic berries and organic herb of horsetail and hibiscus extract nourish and brighten skin with vitamins A and C, silica, niacin, B3, and polyphenols that stimulate cell turnover, fight free radicals, and cellular damage. This mask is truly a multitasking, multifunctional must-have. Dampen the face, and with dry hands scoop out half a teaspoon of the mask, massage onto your face and throat, and leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. Use this time to relax, read a book, take a bath, drink a glass of wine or herbal tea. Make this a 1 to 2 week me time ritual, and remove with a warm wet cloth. Awesome, let's see what it looks like. There was a safety seal that came off when I opened it. You can kind of see there, but that is what it looks like. And it smells like berries. It kind of smells like jam, which makes sense because it's made with berries. So yeah, and you can see the whole list of ingredients here, and it is short, and it's made with organic ingredients, and this has a 6-month shelf life, so I'm totally gonna use this. The next thing is in this bag. This must be the tool. This is by Pure Soul. Oh, I think this is for under your eyes. What are these called? Something with like a G? Yeah, this is by Pure Soul Beauty, the Rose Quartz Heart Guagua or Gua Gua. It's G-U-A. Sorry. It's $24. It's a traditional healing technique used in East Asia. Gua Sha is often called scraping as it uses smooth massage tools. Usually crafted from crystals, gently scrape the surface of your skin. As it glides over your face and body, it promotes blood flow and circulation, reducing irritation and inflammation. Facial gua sha is a massage technique designed to relieve tension in the muscles of the face, boost blood circulation, and encourage lymphatic drainage to banish puffiness and lift. Oh man, I could totally use this. I have makeup on right now, but I have puffiness around my eyes, so I am excited to try this out. Did I say the retail value? This is $24. Next up, we have like a spray here. This is by Mineral Peel Body Natural Non-Abrasive Exfoliant. So it says, spray ample amount onto desired areas, allowed to absorb for approximately 3 seconds, and then use your fingertips or a minimally abrasive washcloth to Gently exfoliate in circular motions and then rinse with water and repeat if necessary. So this is supposed to help like exfoliate dry skin. Let's see what it says on here. So this is by ORG Skincare Mineral Peel Body, and this is $34, and it says body exfoliant with skin moisturizing nutrients. We formulated our popular mineral peel for the body because why shouldn't you have great skin all over? Whether you want to prep your skin for an even tan or achieve a closer shave for smooth touchable legs, our mineral peel body is step 1 to skin goals. Cool, I love getting stuff like this. It's like unique to my skincare collection. I have a lot of skincare items. I don't have anything like this, and I do get dry patches on my body, and I think that's a great idea to exfoliate before you shave. I don't know if this is too much, but I shaved today and I did use like a physical exfoliant before I shave my legs. I always like to do that because I feel like it keeps the shave lasting longer and smoother, like they said. So that is a great tip. I'll try it with this now. Super excited. You get 177 milliliters or 6 fluid ounces in here, so there's a lot of product. Let's see what it smells like. It has a scent, but like it smells like natural type of scent. I can't even describe it. And then the last item in the box is by Dirty Lamb. We received something by them last month. I've been liking that. This is their Ultra Day Serum. And I think we received the Night Serum last month, so great. Now we have the duo. So this is a non-greasy formula, smooth finish. You get 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. And this is $44. It says brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast absorbing natural derived oils. Rice bran oil, which is Japan's aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Apply 2 to 3 drops, warming between the palms of your hand, patting onto the face and neck. Keep the glow going at bedtime with Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum, which like I mentioned we got last one, so that's great. And it talks about the ingredients. So there's rice bran, cannabis sativa from the hemp seed, and there's neem oil, sunflower seed oil, sage oil, and lemon oil. So that is everything that we got. Again, the value of this box is $135. So we got 3 skincare items and then a tool, and you get $100 more value than you pay. Again, it's $35, or if you use my code down below, $30 for your first box. So you get that gua sha. At first I thought it was a gua gua, but I think that was just a typo. So it's gua sha, which is like for depuffing and circulation. So I think that's super cool, and it's made with rose quartz. And we have Me Time Botanicals mask. This body exfoliant, I think I'm probably the most excited about this because I don't have anything quite like this in my skincare collection, like I said. And then a serum. I love serums. I use a bunch every single day, morning and night. So I'm excited to try these out. So again, I will leave all of their information down below. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing Bella Skincare Box with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.